Welcome back, my name is VassaOlga, and in today's video we're talking about classic version of makeup. And when I'm talking about classic version, I mean a lot of different details like blending. I think blending is the key part of your makeup look. I've been using my technique for such a long period of time, but then switched to something that I saw on someone's YouTube channel, and then I am back with this technique again. And I love it because it's much easier to control your blendability. I guess without further ado, let's get started. Three compliments of the day. I love my lips. I'm gonna tell you this information every single time. I love my face, the whole face in general, and my love to makeup. That's it. Then just do it yourself beside the mirror. I have my palettes from Makeup Revolution. Both of them are super colorful, and with a flat brush from my Beauty Bay brush set, I'll be packing two dark blue shades over the lid. As for primer, I'm going in with Focus and Fix Eye Primer from Makeup Revolution as well, and a piece of paper is preventing any fallouts. I'm obsessed with this pomegranate color that goes straight to the crease. With the same flat brush and blue colors, I'm creating a shape. Another layer of the same pink color. Mixing candy with roses and placing them above the crease. Those shades are perfect to blend out main colors. I want to have a bright look, so I'm going over and over and over with the same shades we've just applied. I left a spot in the corner, in the inner corner to be exact, for candy color. Essence white pigment is gonna make it even better. Just trust me on that. This is the first time ever I'm using this type of liquid eyeliners, and I'm impressed. So smooth and handy. Take your time and be patient. The formula is fantastic. If you watch my videos, then you know I'm in love with Essence mascara. The formula is fantastic and it's inexpensive, and that's what matters. Some lashes from China that I popped on off camera. Repeat the same steps on the lower lid except for pomegranate color. In the corners, I added lots of glitter. Okay guys, this is the final result. I hope you like it. I seriously do. So the whole thing is all about blending, about building the color, about diffusing those edges and those colors. It's just like so cool and simple at the same time that I'm just super excited to share it with you guys. So the question of the day: how do I pick colors? I know that mostly blue shades are not my type of shades because I have really fair skin, but at the same time, if you mix them and combine them with something really warm like peachy or like pinky shades, then it's gonna look absolutely fantastic. Look at me right now. This is so freaking awesome. I love it. Literally the best combination of all times. You can leave it without any falsies, just like that. I guess that's pretty much it, guys. I hope to see you in my next video that's gonna be uploaded really soon. Bye bye.